I want to remove everything in my life. Hi, message me private. Let's talk about that. You know, don't ask me to do that here in front of, on my live because it's not allowed. Buwag natatawa ako sa tawa ko. Guys, give me like, please. Or else I'm gonna cry. Joke lang. Gabriel, hello, darling. Thank you for coming. Ay! Naantok kasi ako. Naantok ako. May tim yung kilikili ko. Nagtaka ako dito sa kilikili ko. Parati nagkakaroon ng mga parang tigyawat. Meron pala ako dito binili na RDL at saka papaya yung para sa face. Napanood ko lang to. Someone na naggawa ng tutorial sa Facebook. She gonna suggest that, this one can help your kele to be whitened. So I'm gonna try this one. Gonna try if it's help my kele to become white, because as I've noticed my kele is nangitim siya for today's video because sinubuan ng mga tigyawat. Siya, you doing workout? Yes, always. I always doing workout every day. Even 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. I do exercise also before a shower. I do exercise like 20 minutes, 30 minutes on the shower room. And I'll do exercise also in bed. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Yes, I do that. Like, you don't see my muscle is big. It looks like a muscle of a man, I-try natin to kung puti ba yung kilikili ko dito. Sabi kasi doon sa babae, puti daw eh. Hindi ko alam bakit umitim yung kilikili ko. Maputi naman to dati. Tinubuan kasi ng mga tigyawat. Yes, it's big. Yes, it's big. Oh, ito may tigyawat pa nga eh. Tingnan natin kung puputi ba to. Nail are pretty. There's hair. May ako natubunutin. Shout out Raymondo. Hello. Thank you for coming.